Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy and mark Biometrics. Here click on Fingerprints and provide your current pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create a new one. Now tap on Register to add your fingerprint. The best way is to grab your phone as you usually do it, and then place your finger on the sensor just like that, several times till your fingerprint is fully added. And click on Done then. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.